laundry mat. It's like 2 miles down from where I hang out. Starting to dig a little deeper into the area, and I'm finding stuff that I didn't know was around, because I didn't know there's a laundromat this close. 25-minute ride on my bike from my hangout spot that I'm at right now. And here's what's even better. There's a restaurant and bar right across the street. I shouldn't be walking over here right now, giving away too much game. But see, this restaurant, there's a hose right there. So I showered. Like I said, I shouldn't have walked over there, but I won't be over here for another week or two. So basically, I can come here at 6 o'clock, the laundromat's open, put my laundry in, run back there, hose off, and I'm all good, because it's going to be hot for the rest of my time here. Whatever's going to happen, I'm not sure. But I'm going to do 2 loads. I basically washed a bunch of my stuff, and then I'm going to take my clean stuff, put clean stuff on, and take the stuff I'm wearing right now on. Because it's clean. I mean, I've already taken the bath. That's done. I'm pretty much done with the other load. But I'm going to wash the stuff I'm wearing now, because I went into the bathroom and took off all my underwear and the stuff I was wearing, put on a clean shirt, kept the old dirty shorts on, and showered in that with my shorts on. It's a hose too. None of this dunking water on me or having to get down low. I just sit there and da-da-da-da. Can't see me back there. It's perfect. Little things like that make being homeless a lot better. But anyway, that's all.